Actually, you're supposed to put it in the other way. You're supposed to put it in upside down. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. No. I'll show you what I mean. Open it up.
Dang.
Oh.
It freaking squeezes it inside out. I don't know, bro. That doesn't make more juice. Oh, it's a double juice maybe. I don't know.
Just making sure.
Mm. Garbage.
As much lemonade as possible.
Yeah, I don't know. Flip it over.
This?
No, the other way. The other way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's the method right there. It's a double squeeze. Ooh. Super juicy, huh? It's so juicy it's exploding.
Juice out.
Nice.
Oh, crack the lemon.
Crack it. The double squeeze, that's a good amount of juice coming out.
Yep.
Definitely worth it. Oh yeah. You ever see the meme? Look at all those
Chicken.
lemons. Imagine. Look at all those lemons. Let's go.
Look at all those chickens.
Slippery.
Has lemon juice all over it.
Very hydrating. When you drink this stuff, oh my gosh.
2 lemons to go. Found a tactic.
Oh yeah? You got a new technique? Oh. It's good squeezing. Nice.
All from this one. 1 lemon.
Nice, bro.
Last.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
So much seeds.
I think the next step we'll actually pour the lemon juice through a strainer into the cup.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go into my bag here and get the honey. Strainer's gonna be in here. I believe it's. Let's see here.
What about this?
I think it's more like that. Yeah.
Here we go.
And then we'll get a couple of cups. Should we do glasses like this?
No.
No?
Are we gonna drink it now or at the beach?
Oh, Zachy wants some now.
Alright, so let's do this cup.
And then,
Let's do a small cup.
okay. So, is that wet or is it okay? Alright, so now it's very concentrated. So let's say we're gonna pour up to this line here.
Can you hold that?
Hold this?
Yep.
You got it. Okay, slow down. Slow down, slow down. Oh yeah. And now I'm gonna quickly move this to the other side. Alright, and now before you pour some more in there, let's grab a spoon and like kind of like scrape it through. Oh, here's one. Just kind of move it back and forth so that it goes through. Exactly.
We're making lemon eggs.
Lemon breakfast. Okay, you want to pour a little more maybe?
Yeah, a little more.
Maybe you can use the spoon again if you need to. And then when you're done with the strainer, just put it back on top of the lemon juice. Oh, that's
Wow.
a lot. Yep, and just leave it just like that. Boom. And the spoon on top too, maybe. Yeah, like this. Like, boom. Pow.
My hands are sticky.
I'm gonna put this over here for when we make our bottles. Okay, now.
I'm gonna go get my bottle.
Grab Zachy's too, I guess?
What?
We're making your lemonade, my guy. We got the thumbs up. Requested. requested recipe. It's not live. It's gonna go on YouTube. So we're gonna put that off to the side. Let's make sure that the taste is good, right? We actually need that spoon again.
Spoon.
All right, maybe rinse it off. All right, so that's probably a 1.5 teaspoon serving. Put the spoon on over there. Okay, you got it. Okay, so because it's got to be melted, we'll put a little bit of this in there. Hold on. To heat it up. That should be enough. We don't want to cook it. Stir it up, and then you could put a little more. Maybe a little more hot water. I think maybe another teaspoon like you did. Tilt the thing back over.
Lemon.
So it won't drip out. Because you just think in terms of your technique, you can't be always eating the honey every time you pour it. You know what I mean? So just in terms of cooking technique, it's okay to eat honey, but I'm just telling you, like when you pour it for the next one, after you pour it into the spoon, you tilt it back over. And then if you want honey, you can have it as a separate thing. You understand what I'm saying? Just makes it more efficient, so you don't have to keep making a mess every time. Okay, so that's one, and then you could stir that with this, and then probably another one. We're gonna drink first, and then we'll eat. Hydration. It's like when you work out, you need protein. Before you work out, you need hydration. And then as the chef, Max, what you got to do is taste test before you serve it. So we're gonna add water to this. So just think in terms not of sweetness but of flavor.
Okay.
I think yours is the left. Yeah. Just think of it because it's going to be diluted. It's not going to be as sweet or as sour, but the flavor is balanced. Does it need salt? Does it need more sweetness? Doesn't. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yep.
Okay, because we're going to add water to it now. And start with yours. Let's bring it over here. And just do a half pump because you don't want to overfill it. Okay, that's good. Let it drip. Okay, let it drip out. It doesn't even have to be filled up all the way. You can sip it at any time to see how the sweetness is. Want a straw?
No.
No?
Grandma, I'm hungry. I want to eat with the drink.
What do you need?
I want to eat with the drink.
Alright, what do you want? Alright, I'll make something.
It needs a little more water.
More water. That's it?
Yep. I said a little more. Not a lot more.
Okay. Hey, I'm just asking.
Perfect.
Okay, so you think that's good, perfect for Zachy too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Zach, come here.
Here, make.
Is it hot or no?
Warm.
It's warm. Come here. I want you to taste mine.
Taste Max's. You want a straw or are you just gonna sip it?
Do you like it like that? No? Too lemony. Water. I need water.
More water.
Wow.
I need water.
More water.
I need water. It's too lemony.
Open your mouth.
Too sour?
Mm-hmm.
Not for
Oh
me.
my
You gotta
God.
taste it. Zach's being dramatic.
It burnt my throat.
It doesn't burn my throat, but it is very lemony. I like it sweeter. Let me make it for Zachy how I would have it. It's about another
perfect.
teaspoon, right?
I'm gonna have a bit more honey.
Stir this up. Yeah. Just put a little hot water in. Watch your back.
Zach, you're being dramatic.
No, it burnt my throat. I'm not even kidding.
I'm gonna taste it.
Here, put water in first. I feel it almost stirred up. Alright, let me taste.
Zach, what are you doing?
Don't let any seeds go in. Let me taste. Thank you, sir. Mmm, that is lemony though.
Taste it.
No.
I would do a
Zach,
little
this
more.
is yours.
No.
It's okay, he's gonna have it with his own. It is lemony, so watch. Put more honey in, right? And because you like it warm, it's gonna easily melt the honey. Alright? Oh,
Taste?
bro.
It tastes like honey.
It tastes like honey. Oh man, did I put too much? Now you go. You don't want it? Didn't you say you wanted it for breakfast?
It burnt my throat on it.
Alright.
I'll take it.
Way too long.
That was mine though.
That was Max's. You can always try some more. And do some of this now. Ooh, grapefruit. Let's do grapefruit next.